Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the brittle quartzite shard so it won't shatter under load. Clamp gently in a padded vise and make sure vibration is damped. You want controlled pressure, not jarring impacts. Put on goggles, N95 respirator, and gloves to protect against fine dust and shards. Choose a coarse diamond wheel or silicon carbide stone, 120 to 220 grit, because quartzite is hard. Coarse abrasives remove material quickly and reduce heat buildup. When used with light, you now grind with deliberate, short passes to avoid crack propagation. Hold the shard at a low angle and sweep along the wheel. Once done with a pass, lift and inspect for hairline fractures. Make sure to keep contact times short, about 10 to 20 seconds, then let the surface cool or quench briefly in water to relieve thermal stress. Use continuous water feed or a drip to carry away dust and keep temperatures low. This preserves structural integrity and prevents spontaneous breakage. You finish by stepping through finer abrasives, 400, 800, then 1,200 grit to smooth and relieve stress concentrators. Once done, dry and inspect under good light. Where you find microcracks, apply a thin low-viscosity epoxy to consolidate edges and prevent propagation. If the shard fractures during work, stop immediately. Collect fragments, change to gentler clamping, and restart with coarser grit at lower pressure. One key troubleshooting tip. Persistent cracking means you need slower passes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.